Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And it is August of 2024. It is the month that we have our fundraiser for the Esselstyn Foundation. Our foundation is a 501c3, a public charity, nonprofit, and our aim is to get the information about the power of whole food, plant-based nutrition out there to anybody or any group that doesn't usually get a chance to hear it.
There is no other better way of changing the health of this world.
And the world within us, and actually the world at large.
Right.
So we have presented to all kinds of groups just this year. Quickly, I want to just review some of them that can come top of mind. We presented to actually a high school cooking classes. It's been a blast to work with them. We rolled nori rolls, and we made tofu puddings, and they were just, boom, loving it. I got the most beautiful thank you notes from them. You know how much we love thank you notes. We work with community centers, senior centers, churches, synagogues, other like nonprofit groups. Most excitingly for me was we did an initiative with nurses, a Healthy Nurse Initiative, and I went to the Jacksonville Mayo Clinic and presented to a wonderful group there. And they had satellite sent out video to Rochester, Minnesota, and to their Phoenix, Arizona branch as well. And the most fun presentation this year has been with Chi Eta Phi, which is a professional sorority for nurses of color. And we've done all kinds of virtual things with them, but we went to Detroit and went to their live conference, and it was
amazing, Jane.
It was so fun. And we're going to insert some photos of some of these events so you can see what we do. But anyway, it's our fundraising.
One other thing, and that is every Tuesday there's an amazing letter.
Newsletter.
Email letter, a newsletter with such fabulous information on it that it's worth it just to sign up for that.
Sometimes it comes on Sunday, sometimes it comes on Thursday, but we try to get it out every Tuesday. But this is our month to raise money for the foundation so we can keep giving this message for free to anybody who is looking to hear about it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, everybody,
yes,
for being generous and helping make this world a way better, healthier place.
You fill the room, we'll show up. All right, thanks from the Esselstyn Foundation.
Thank you for considering making a donation today.